Okay, guys, it is the 24th of May, and it's been a little while since I've seen ya. Things are changing. I got a second job. It'll be a little bit before I get paid, but I got a seasonal second job. So this will be my last food pantry for the rest of the summer, hopefully. I'll be able to buy some groceries on my own. So also, I want to welcome anyone that's new. And if you don't know, I work. I live in subsidized housing. I pay the max rent. I just don't have enough left over to buy groceries. So here I am, utilizing the food pantry when I need to. I do not make any money off of my videos. So before anyone says, oh, look at you making money off of other people's generosity, that's not the case. I don't make any money. I don't even have 200 followers. So, but anyways, let's get started with what I was blessed with. First, we have some hot dogs. Bar S classic bun length. 4 pounds of burger. 2 flank steaks. Some fully cooked pork patties, and some pork loin chops. Over here we have spaghetti, taco seasoning, 4 cheese mashed potatoes, easy skillet chicken pasta, easy skillet pasta Alfredo, some pistachios, 3 cheese sliced potatoes, taco shells, maple and brown sugar oatmeal, 2 boxes of macaroni and cheese, a box of beef stroganoff skillet, elbow macaroni, pasta sauce, manwich, mixed veggies, pineapple. Ooh, and it's crushed. I can make a cake. Whole kernel corn, sweet peas, French style green beans, pork and beans, diced tomatoes, which will be good in the sauce, some chocolate sugar-free Jell-O, peanut butter, chicken flavored rice, Spanish rice, and some pancake and waffle mix, and some syrup. So that is what I was blessed with from the pantry today. Pretty decent. And I'm out of breath. It was some work carrying that in with my lungs the way they are. It's just, whoo. So, pardon my mess here, but that's all my shoes under there. I'm going to turn you around. I look kind of scary today. My grandchildren just went home. I watched them today, and we all had fun. But yeah, so hopefully everything goes well this summer, and I won't have to use the food pantry. Like I said before, I do not make any money from my videos. I do my own nails these days, except they're not done right now, but we won't talk about that. I don't make it a habit to go to the food pantry every time I turn around, but if I don't have any money at the end of the month and I need groceries, that's what they're there for. So if you find yourself out of groceries and you don't have the means to get them, you've paid your bills, maybe all your bills aren't paid, but you need food, don't hesitate to reach out to your local food pantry and get the help you need. Everyone deserves to eat. So you guys take care and God bless, and I will see you next time.